Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Phil, and in today's video we're gonna talk about 7 reasons why you should start a YouTube channel in 2020. Reason number 1 is that making videos on YouTube gives you a voice. If you have a message, a story, an opinion about something, an idea, thanks to YouTube you can share it with other people out there. Maybe you are a little introverted like I am. Here's your platform. And the good thing is you can always change your video before releasing it until you're happy with the outcome. And over time you will reach more people and find like-minded people like you from all over the world. I personally sometimes feel even more of myself in front of the camera than I do in social situations in the real world. Reason number 2 is that you will be creative. And if you're already a creative person, there are almost no limits of what you can do creating videos. Making videos is an art form. It's a great outlet for your creativity. I personally, for example, always felt that I was a absolutely not creative person until I started making videos, and I felt like I became way more creative and it's much more fun than my old office job. Reason number 3 why you should start a YouTube channel right now is that every topic works. So whatever you are interested in, you should make videos about it, and the great thing is now you can. There are so many awesome and weird niches, which is great. For example, gaming, makeup, fitness, education, science stuff, cooking, comedy, to unique hobbies like building unicycles or breeding fish. Whatever floats your boat, there is a place for you on this platform. Reason number 4 is that you will develop valuable skills and knowledge. There are a lot of skills to making videos, and it requires a certain amount of work as well. So while doing this over and over again, you will most likely become better at things like project planning, scripting, filming, and getting to know all that camera gear and stuff, which is also quite some fun, editing, promoting your video, but also stuff like time management, project management, and working under pressure if you want to meet a deadline. And overall your productivity will most likely increase by a lot. And a lot of these skills will not only help you to become a better YouTube video creator, but it will also help you to be more organized and well thought through in other real-life situations and jobs as well. Reason number 5 why you should start making YouTube videos is there is a great feeling of accomplishment that comes with it. Let me tell you, it's a great feeling to finally hit that export button after hours of editing and filming and all that good stuff, and later on hitting that publish button on YouTube and releasing your video to the world. It will just give you a great feeling of accomplishing something and finishing something. Just think about it. You finish projects and they will be out there for the world to see, basically till the end of time. And you can always look at it and be like, look at that, I did that, I made that. And that is a great feeling. Reason number 6 is gonna be you can potentially make a career out of it. Have you ever heard about these people that said, yeah, I turned my hobby into my job, and that just sounds like a dream? That is exactly what is possible if you start creating videos on YouTube. If you play it right, you can quit your day job at some point in time and focus on solely making YouTube videos. But don't get me wrong, there is a lot of work required to get to that point. It needs a lot of consistency over time, and I'm probably talking about a very long period of time until that happens. Because yes, there's a chance that you can blow up overnight, you're gonna be the next social media star, but the odds are that you will not. So you better be prepared for a hard grind and do not expect that overnight success. But if you make it, however, at some point in time, you can become your own boss, get paid, and live an alternative lifestyle of creative freedom without being forced to sit on a desk 40 hours a week to work for somebody else to get rich. And my last point, number 7, why you should start making YouTube videos right now is that you are still early. YouTube started only 15 years ago, and I'm saying only 15 years because we are still very early on the grand scheme of things. YouTube's popularity is skyrocketing and we are still at an early stage of this era of this new media. And we are already seeing this new generation of new superstars and celebrities of the future emerging from YouTube. Another thing that plays into this is that cameras are getting cheaper, they're getting better, they're getting easier to use and accessible because everybody of us has one of these. So right now you basically still have the chance of being one of the pioneers of a new lifestyle that I believe in a couple of decades will be very, very normal. So you might not want to look back in 2030 or 2040 and tell yourself, man, I wish I would have started in 2020. No, do it now.